Hi guys, so earlier this week I told you I was going to do a try-on of the new Forever Bloom foundation. It is a biomimic foundation in medium spectrum is the color that I am using. And I'm going to start off with their vitamin C cream and then I will show you how this works. Okay, so I have nothing on my face right now. I'm going to put on the lotion. Vitamin C cream. It smells like oranges. Talk a little bit about this. You have to apply it with your fingers because it's going to go on white like a lotion and then it transforms into your natural skin tone. I love wearing CC creams because they're lightweight and they just look like your real skin. So I'm really big on lightweight foundations. This is technically a full coverage foundation, which is awesome because it's super lightweight. It reminds me a lot of this drugstore one that was a BB cream I used to get by L'Oreal. However, I like this one even more because it has more coverage than the other one I used to use. So, okay, I don't know if you guys can see this super well, but it's going on white. And I'm gonna rub it, and it slowly transforms into your skin color, which is very cool. So you can't apply it with a beauty blender because I think it uses, you have to apply it with your fingers because it uses the color of your skin and the temperature of it to transform into your color. But do you see how lightweight but I just finished my full face. I obviously typically would put on mascara and do the rest of my face too, but I just wanted to show you what the foundation looks like. And it's super lightweight. I love it. It's gonna be perfect for my new everyday foundation. And you can obviously build it up in certain areas too after you do the first layer. So, also it's SPF 50, which is absolutely amazing. We all love an SPF. And I used this a couple days ago and it didn't break me out, and sometimes SPF does. So that's the good news. Definitely check Forever Bloom out.